Hello and welcome to a My Mini Maths video tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at using times table facts when multiplying and dividing. This video can also be used to help and support with the arithmetic target question number 9. Okay, so before we look at some examples, it might be worth refreshing on times table triangles, as I like to call them. So we may have 4 times the 6 gives us 24. And from this, there's lots of times table facts. So first of all, as I've already said, we've got 4 times 6 equals 24. We can go the other way. 6 times 4 equals 24. We can also start with the 24 and divide by 4 to give us 6. And finally 24 divided by 6 to give us the 4. And we can use these number facts with all sorts of extended questions. So for example, we may look at 40 times 6. So we take the 4 and the 6, that's our times table fact. So we've got the 4 times the 6 is going to equal the 24, and then we have the extra 0 here to give us an answer of 240. We can also look at examples whereby we may start with 2,400 and we're dividing by 4. So again, we're going to look at the facts. The times table fact here is 24 divided by 4, and we can look up at the top. We've got our 24 here, divide it by the 4, it gives us the 6. And because we have the 2 zeros here, we place them on the end to compensate and to counterbalance it. Okay, so on to an example. So we may have 320 divided by 8. And if we take the times table facts here, we've got the 32 divided by the 8. So if we place that into our times table triangle, we've got our 32 divided by 8 gives us 4, because we know 4 times 8 equals 32, or 8 times 4 equals 32. So the missing value here is 4. We have an extra 0. It's 10 times bigger to begin with, so we need to make sure we have an answer that's 10 times bigger as well, so we can place the 0 onto the end. We can also use the times table facts to help us with missing values. So for example, we may have a missing value. We're dividing it by 30 to give us 8. Okay, so what this means is we have 30 people who have 8 grapes each, for an example, or 8 of something each. So that gives us a calculation to find out how many grapes we started off with. Okay, so if we use our inverse, okay, so if each of the people have 8 grapes and there are 30 of them, we've got 30 lots of 8. So again, our times tables, there's my 3 times 8 times table. So 3 times 8 is 24, and then we have the 0 on the end to bring over to the end, which means we must have started off with 240 grapes. And just to check, because we have the two values involved in the calculation both have zeros, we can ignore those and take the 24 divided by the 3, and that will give us our missing answer of 8. That's everything for today. I hope you found it helpful. So please subscribe to the My Mini Maths video tutorial YouTube channel, and you can get all the latest updates, news, videos first. Okay, take care, and I'll speak to you again soon.